Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what I eat in a day as well as what my family eats in a day. And before we get started, I wanted to let you know that this video is sponsored by Home Chef. Home Chef is a meal delivery service that delivers meals to your doorstep. You're able to pick them out online and they ship all of the ingredients to you as well as the meat in a nice cold packaged box, and it's really convenient, especially for a busy family like ours. If you guys are interested in placing an order with Home Chef, check out the link below and use my code and you will be able to get $30 off your first order. So my Saturday mornings typically begin with some iced cold brew, and if you guys have been following me for a while, you know how much I love my coffee in the mornings. I like to use stock cold brew, and I'm using some pumpkin spice creamer, and then I am making my own cold foam using my Ninja Coffee Maker's frother, and I just froth some heavy cream and then pour it on top of my coffee, and that is how I start my day. So one thing that my kids and I really like to have for breakfast is smoothies, and this is a good way for me to get them to eat their fruit. But I really like that Home Chef offers smoothies as an add-on in their meal plan because it makes it really convenient. They package everything together. I've got strawberries, yogurt, and pineapple juice ready to go, and the kids and I love this smoothie. Just going to peel and then cut up this pear and put it in the smoothie, and my kids have no idea that they're eating a pear in their smoothie. We always seem to have a lot of smoothie left over, so what I like to do is make popsicles out of it. My kids love popsicles, and this is a great way to make your own at home. And all I did was buy this popsicle mold from Walmart, and this is the easiest way to save your smoothies instead of just pouring them out, and I freeze them and the kids will eat them as a snack. Just in case you guys are wondering where the kids are at, Cash is over here in his high chair, and he already had his breakfast very early this morning, but he's having a little snack of these little vanilla and maple crunchies. They keep him occupied for a little while I get the rest of our breakfast ready. So to be honest, my husband is actually a lot better at making scrambled eggs than I am. So since it's Saturday morning and he's home, I let him take over that job. Mornings because we're all able to sit down at the table and enjoy breakfast together, and even Cooper is drinking his smoothie. I put it in his cup and added a little bit of milk to it, and he gets in his fruit this way. And all we're missing is Carter and Sydney this morning. They're with their other parents, but I just really enjoy being able to sit down with the kids and Jeff and enjoy our breakfast together. need already came in this bag. It's so simple. It actually says no cooking required. It only takes about 5 to 10 minutes, which is all that I am going to do for lunch. I'm not gonna spend 30 minutes cooking a lunch. So I have some chicken that they sent. It's already ready to go. You just have to microwave it, which is really nice. I don't want to be thawing and cooking all kinds of chicken for lunch. And then I've got 2 rolls here for me and my husband. And then what is this? This is basil. Oh, I really like basil. I like fresh basil. And then mozzarella cheese, and then these are crispy fried onions. This sounds so good to me. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is stem the basil, and then I'm gonna toast the rolls, and then I'm going to put the chicken and, oh, I forgot, the marinara sauce. I'm gonna put the chicken and the marinara sauce in a microwave safe container and warm it up, and then I'm pretty much just gonna put it all on the bun, and easy as that. So let's go ahead and get started. Microwave, and that was so easy. I sprinkled the cheese on it right before I pulled it out of the microwave so that it was like almost melted but not too melted when I put it on the sandwiches. I toasted the buns, so I'm just gonna put all of this, just separate it on the 2 buns, add the basil and then the crispy onions, and it's ready to go, and it smells really good. So after this I'll serve it to my husband and see, because he's the real critic. Okay. Here it is. Okay, honey, here's your food.
What is this, man?
It's a chicken pizziola sandwich.
Chicken pizziola sandwich. Presentation. Are we mukbanging? It's actually really good. Cheesy. The bread's good. I shouldn't be talking to them or you. I'd buy this at a restaurant. I would definitely ask for this again.
You heard it, folks. Okay, so I'm getting Coop's lunch ready. This is one of those newbie placemats. I love string cheese. This is just mozzarella string cheese. Hold on. This is a yogurt. This is one of those Danimals strawberry yogurts. He loves Cheez-Its. I feel like some banana today. And I know this seems strange, but he will almost always eat bacon. I pack bacon in his lunch because he's not big on like turkey or anything. So he usually eats all of his bacon when he's at school, so. And the bacon that I use or pack him for lunch is the bacon that's already cooked. So all you have to do is heat it up and it's ready to go. You don't actually have to like spend the time cooking it. Been hanging around the house today since it's the weekend, and it's been just so overcast and gloomy outside. So we had our lunch, and then usually between like lunch and dinner I'm like a huge snacker, and they're not always healthy snacks, so I'm being completely honest with you guys. And then my kids also snack, but since it's just Cooper and Cash here, usually they, well, even Carter, the kids love these things. So Cooper will snack on these. These are called crunchies around our house. So he has snacked on some of these. I think he just saw me and it's probably no what's more. What? What? You want some crunchies? Okay, bye. Okay, thank you. And then he's got some blue juice in here. I dilute this down with water. This is actually just blue raspberry Kool-Aid. And then I do like half and half. It is still really blue. I didn't realize how blue this was until I bought it. So I don't know that I'm gonna buy this one again because blue always stains their mouth. And then I have been snacking on Welch's Fruit Snacks. I love fruit snacks so much. It's kind of a problem. I have a huge box full. Do you want me to put those in a bowl for you?
No.
I eat more of these than my kids do, and this is probably my favorite snack throughout the day. Okay, so the other snack that I will usually have throughout the day is peanut butter crackers. These are also one of my favorite snacks. I need to do better on what I eat probably, but kind of just showing you guys a typical day. I'm trying to get better about drinking water throughout the day, but I have noticed that the only way I can get water in, first of all, I only like cold water. I know a lot of people are like, oh, I like room temperature water or whatever. If I'm really thirsty, yes, I will drink room temperature water, but I prefer it to be really cold. And so the only way that I will drink my water throughout the day is in a water bottle, like straight from the fridge, which we don't always have water bottles. So I almost always will be drinking them out of a cup like this. This is not a Yeti or anything. This one says Mom Fuel on it. My husband got this for me. He's such a sweetheart. It's white with rose gold because he knows me, and he picked this out all by himself. I think he ordered it off of Amazon, but I'm gonna put some water in this. So I usually liked crushed ice, but it kind of like jacks up our fridge when I do crushed ice. So I'm just gonna do some cubed ice and then add some water. All right, so for dinner, Cash is gonna be having this apple peach squash baby food by Gerber, and it comes in these little square things like this, but they're not really microwavable safe, and he usually eats the whole thing, so I end up just pouring them in a bowl, but he will probably eat this whole thing, and that'll be his dinner. Yes, Cooper. How may I help you?
Hello, America. I'm Chef Jeff, and today I'm gonna make jalapeno popper burgers. Now, before we cook, we're gonna preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Some buns. Got our cheese. Not sure. I think these are like fried pickles. I don't know. 2 russet potatoes. Chili and cumin. Cumin. Okay, so we've cut our potatoes into 1/4 inch spears, and now we're applying our seasoning rub.
What is that?
This is chili and cumin. Cumin? Cumin.
Like human, but
Now it said to toss these. Does that mean
yeah. Hope you washed your hands.
I did wash my hands. I'm kind of paranoid about my hands being dirty. So whenever I cook, I wash my hands like 10 times. Ready to throw it in the oven.
So that wraps up my what we eat in a day video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out the link below if you're interested in saving $30 off your first order with Home Chef. And I must say that this hamburger was absolutely delicious. So if you're interested in trying it out, check out the link below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.